Well, spring is certainly here, and thank you for all your recent gardening questions. I hope my advice every week, you're putting it into good use in your own garden. The most popular garden question I'm asked at the moment is about moss, particularly on patios, driveways, slates and tiles. And the product that I use in my own garden is PAC. Where the moss is light, general moss growth or algae growth, I use the normal PAC. But sometimes, particularly this year, where moss is extremely heavy on patio and driveways, the Pro PAC is stronger and more effective. Both can be simply mixed in water, applied through a watering can or a fine sprayer right across the entire patio or concrete or driveway area, and it will see the moss off or algae off within about 7 days. And after that, I generally give my patio, in between the bricks, a light rub with one of the patio brushes that just helps to brush off the dead moss. So remember, it's time to control moss in your garden, and for patios and driveways, the one I use is PAC or Pro PAC.